Hello crypto fans, this is Crypto Daily Info. I'm setting my timer for 5 minutes like I do every day. My challenge is to bring you the latest crypto news in 5 minutes or under so you can be up to date with what's going on in the world of crypto and then get on with your day. So let's have a look then. Where are we at? We are still in fear according to the fear and greed, although we are in a bit of a green day today. Bitcoin dominance is still very high and the alt season is very low. Let's have a look at the crypto bubbles. So we do actually have a nice green day today. I was just looking at the Trump coin because that one is the one that's standing out at the moment. That is up 37% today. I don't actually know why, but I mean, looking at it since it launched, it's so far down that if you bought, when it was first launched, you're probably crying at the moment. Bitcoin itself, let's have a look at Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin is up a little bit today, 97 now. The previous video, I had a look at Bitcoin when I was talking about it yesterday, and I brought in some analysis, and I was saying that Bitcoin looks like it's got some support down at the 90,000 range, and it's just been consolidating since, well, for months now. Very, very boring. But what we do know is there's probably some market manipulation by the big players, and the big players are actually buying into it. And that is what I want to bring to you mainly today. Have a look at this. Basically, we have so many sovereign wealth funds and states expressing or disclosing how much Bitcoin they're actually holding. So we've got Abu Dhabi's Sovereign Wealth Fund, that's hard to say, Abu Dhabi's Sovereign Wealth Fund disclosing 436 million Bitcoin ETF holdings, Wisconsin 321 million Bitcoin holdings. We've got the world's largest custodian bank, Street and Citibank, to launch crypto custody services. The SEC Crypto Task Force discussing integrity staking into ETMs with multiple firms. So tons and tons of organizations are buying into Bitcoin, and Bitcoin in particular as well. So I'm very, very bullish on Bitcoin, although we know that Bitcoin's been doing all right. It's the altcoins that are absolutely destroying us. I have some altcoins myself, and yep, I'm crying too because they are not doing too good. Let's have a look at the market news. So I pulled this one out. Now, a few days ago, I mentioned that the CEO of GameStop was meeting with Michael Saylor in Mar-a-Lago, and it looks like GameStop are going to start moving towards the MicroStrategy business model where they're going to store and accumulate Bitcoin. Now, this is going to be really interesting for anybody that's still short selling on GameStop, and it could be another one to buy if you want a proxy to buy Bitcoin. So I'm very, very interested in this. I think it's good. I think it's been a fantastic and fascinating story about how what's happened with GameStop and how people have pumped GameStop. Let's have a look at GameStop on the stock market. I mean, it's been such an interesting journey for GameStop, hasn't it? So what I want is the stock. There we go. Right, so it's up by 5% today. Year to date, it's down. Where are we at? So look at GameStop. I mean, over the last 5 years, it's pumped, it's down. But it's interesting. So $27 US. Let's keep an eye on that and see where it gets to by the end of the year. If they adopt the Bitcoin model, how much that stock is going to pump, it might be one to buy. Of course, none of this is financial advice. I'm just picking out some choice, interesting things to show you about the news and to give you an update about where we are at with crypto. And that's really about it today. So we're now up to 21 states that are front-running Trump's strategic Bitcoin reserve. Like I've said in other videos, I think the play is the states will get their strategic Bitcoin reserves in place first, prove the model before the national strategic Bitcoin reserve is announced. So I think that's coming. And I think it's very bullish for Bitcoin in particular. And, but it's going to take some time for Trump to announce that they're going to do a national Bitcoin reserve. But look how bullish it is for the states. Now, another thing I wanted to point out today actually is XRP. XRP is actually up 31% year to date. And what do I want? I want the 24 hours. There we go. It's up 12% today, basically. So that is actually pumping today, which is really, really good. I bought into XRP a little bit myself. Oh, that's 5 minutes. I do want to keep these succinct. So happy Valentine's Day as well for those of you. Don't forget your partner today. I'm going to have to get off this this video and go enjoy Valentine's Day. But that's 5 minutes. I wanted to keep it succinct. XRP doing really well. Still really bullish for Bitcoin. It's still consolidating a lot at the moment. I think it's going to get to a breakout fairly soon. Let's just quickly go to the 6 months. Let's have a look at it. Look, it's consolidating. I would draw the lines on. I've seen lines drawn on other posts. Oh, do you know, just quickly, I'll bring one to you because I bookmarked one. Here it is. 12 days later, demand for Bitcoin is increasing and retail is coming back. Is this the start of the next leg up? I'm sure I bookmarked another one. No, maybe not. But I've seen some flags that show that Bitcoin could be on the verge of breaking out, but it might be sort of like late February, maybe even March. And that breakout could be to the upside or the downside. But from all the news that I'm reading about Bitcoin, I think it's going to be to the upside. At least I'm hoping so. Anyway, I am Crypto Daily Info. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you tomorrow.